dear crafters, I hope you have watched the first video on selecting the best hat wire to make your satellite fascinator. If you haven't watched it, you can check it out in this video above here. Okay, so now we're going to part 2, and this is for beginners. Okay, just like the first one was for beginners. Now, alright, so now there are 2 ways in which you can wrap your hat fascinator, and so this is already this is our hat wire. If you check that video, you would know the measurement for this hat wire and all the various other things that we did. Now, to wrap your hat wire, you can make use of various things. This is a bias. You can also make use of ribbon. You can make use of thread. You can make use of wool. You can make use of trimmings. Okay, so now there are 2 ways in which you can wrap your hat fascinator. I call one the loop. That's, you do it like this and like this. Okay, you put your glue first of all, and then you start wrapping it like that. So that's the loop method. Okay, that's the first way. Now, for you to be able to do the loop method, you must cut this out. If you leave it hanging, it will just be tangling. So you cut this out, put your glue on the tip here, then you hold it down for a while. Okay, then you now start going round like that all the way till you get here. So that's the first method. Now the next method to wrap your hat wire fascinator, which is the easiest. The loop method actually gives it kind of look, sort of, do you understand? Which is also nice. Then if you're not doing the loop method, we have the straight method, what I call the straight method. So all you need to do for the straight method, in the straight method you don't need to cut this out, no, because you're not going to be going as in wrapping it. So you can see I put it like this, and like that. Okay, so excuse me. So if this is your first time on this channel, we are doing a series on satellite fascinator. So if you're enjoying and gaining value so far on what you are learning, I would advise you click on the subscription button. Okay, then you go ahead and click on the notification so that you will keep getting notified when I put up new videos. Okay, so you should get that done. Then also, if you want to join my academy, there of course you will see more satellites. I think I'm going to group with them other satellite fascinators that has been done, so you get to know how to make different types of fascinators. So you want to click on the Telegram group and ask for the satellite fascinator class. I'm going to be working on that, so that once you go through the class, you are a guru on satellite fascinator. Everything about satellite fascinator, as much as I can acquire. Okay, and you would also get links to all the satellite fascinators. No, not all. I'll try to put all, so that you see various designs. Then also, you may want to join my YouTube membership. Now, for the first tier, previously on the first tier, you get just badges, special badges for you that will be on your name. So that helps me to also know that you're a member, so that I would give you priority response Okay, then also you can use some emojis that are particularly just for the channel. Then of recent, I started adding some videos just for you, just to say thank you for supporting the channel. You have other levels as well, so you can click on the members button and then go through to see what we have available for each tier and become a member. Even if you don't want to get priority or the rest, there's a way to just say thank you and help us acquire more things for the channel and do all these videos, because like what I'm making now, nobody's requesting for it. I'm just doing it to teach you how to be a guru or satellite fascinator. Okay. Now I've got some water close by so that I can be cleaning up my hands, because I've stained this. Means after I finish, I would have to clean it up with dissolver. That's what I use to clean up. So, but to avoid that, you can get water. So, as you're using the glue, you will be damping your hand on water so that you're not staining what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to do all the way around and I'll be back for the next part. Just cut the story, I didn't show that part. I cut the, so it was here, so I cut it out and just overlap with it. So that's it. Click this video to see the various materials you can use to make your satellite fascinator and various ways to cover it.